When we're on our iPad and we search for the WhatsApp app directly here, we see something unexpected. And that is, when we look for WhatsApp, we find that there's really no WhatsApp app anywhere. There's this one called Messenger Duo for WhatsApp. But it's not official, and it's just meant to duplicate WhatsApp, which means you'd be giving your data to a third party. And it's not advisable to do that. Then there's this one here, which isn't the most recommended either. In fact, it tells us there's an iPad version, and we could do this. But really, as of today, there is no feasible option for you to be able to use your WhatsApp directly in an application by using your phone. But what you have to do reliably is, well, go directly to the start and look for your trusted browser. Whether it's Safari or Google Chrome, we're going to start in this case with Google Chrome, and we're going to search directly for WhatsApp web on our iPad. Let's give it a tap, and over here it will start loading, saying log into WhatsApp. For this, what we're going to do is use a phone, and you'll need to have your WhatsApp open on that phone. Now, for this, we're going to go directly to the phone, open the WhatsApp app over here, and then we're going to look at the bottom where we see this option called Settings. We tap on it, and here we go to where it says Link Devices, which is this one right here, and over here all the devices we have will show up. We go to where it says Set up a new device, and it asks us for our password. We place it here, and once we do that, the camera will start loading here. So all we have to do is on our iPad, look at the QR and here tap where it says OK. And with the camera, point it directly at the QR code and it will automatically start loading. And here we have our initial WhatsApp. The truth is that it is almost the same as having it in the official application, except that we will have WhatsApp there. Apart from that, we have WhatsApp web here separately, as long as there are no problems with the main device. We will always have WhatsApp updated here, and we will be able to chat without any problem. If issues arise with our main device, we need to resync it. All main settings and management options are on our cell phone, not on WhatsApp web on the iPad. And it is always important to know that all the main configuration and management options are going to be on our cell phone. They won't be available on WhatsApp web on the iPad. We're looking forward to Apple creating a version of this app directly for iPad, but it doesn't exist yet. So we'll just have to keep waiting.